Those of you who have watched our Saturday market video from Kalangut might be familiar with this place. Well, today is not a Saturday, it's a Wednesday, and the reason why I'm here is because they have a market on Wednesdays as well. Adrian told me there are close to around 30 to 40 stalls. You can hear the music, there are some games happening, and lots of stalls in there. So let's go there and find out. As you can see behind, it's very lively, and due to copyright issues, there's music playing. I will not be able to post this, so it will be in voiceover. So guys, I go fishing, and this guy here is a top fisherman. Okay, he finishes all the fish from Kalangut, and I don't end up catching anything. And that's his wife there. So these guys have a stall right at the entrance. So we'll talk to them and find out what they have. We are at the first stall, and this is Joachim's wife. Her name is Rovi, right? Rovina. Okay. So this is a stall, and so there are lots of different things here. I just had the lemon iced tea, and it was refreshing. So Rovina, quickly, can you tell us like what all do you sell here?
We have fudgy brownies in
Fudgy
different
brownies.
flavors.
Yeah, these are fudgy brownies. Okay.
These are Nutella,
Nutella.
double chocolate,
Okay.
Biscoff, Oreo, Kit Kat, walnut, milk chocolate, and
Yeah.
red velvet.
Okay, so basically this is the brownie section, and you specialize mostly in brownies. In brownies, okay. And that is her rate, and that's lemon iced tea there. Okay, all right. Thank you so much for talking to us. I'll move on to the other stalls, and I will come and try your other stuff. Okay. Music has stopped, and yeah, these are the other kinds of stalls that you can expect. So these are burgers here. There was one guy that was barbecuing. I had to move out to talk because there's continuous music, there's continuous dancing, and it's lively, it's happening. I'll just take a video of your stall. Hi. Can I take a video of your stall? Trouble. Yeah, you can. I won't be talking because of the music, so I'll just put like voiceover and show. Can you just tell me what is this? Kapria?
Chicken cutlets,
Kapria, yeah.
chicken pan roll.
And
We have prawn with soy. Yeah.
these are cutlet.
And we have
Music has stopped for a while, and there are some more stalls here. I had gone to the other side, and just look at this. So there's a stage there, and that gentleman there, he's playing some really good lively music. As you can see, there are lots of kids and even like elderly gentlemen, and there are a lot of options. Like if you want to eat desserts, if you want food, it's all there here. And by the way, that there is the start of the market. Look at this. So there are like plants and everything. So a lot to come and check. Unfortunately, I cannot go to each and every stall to show you each and everything. But then yes, that is what it looks like. And I will show you as soon as you enter. This is what you will get to see. We are home now with all three brownies intact. and I like the packaging. Look at this. So everything is intact and nothing's broken. So first of all, this one is the walnut brownie, this is the red velvet, and this is the double chocolate. And since I love walnuts and chocolate, first bite will be of this one. So I like the consistency, like how it holds together and it's looking moist inside. Very nice, not overly sweet, perfect. And the fact that they have put walnuts, actual walnuts, and look at the amount of walnuts that they have put. So from the big names, if you have walnut brownie, you do not even know if they have put peanuts or something, but this is proper walnuts, very good flavor. So we are off to a great start. Now let's go for the red velvet. Again, I just love the texture, just love the way it's coming off, and let's taste this. Wow. I thought I will not enjoy red velvet. I bought red velvet for Adrian, but it is too good. The dressing on top, it's so milky, it's so nice. It's reminding me of that milk chocolate that you get. I cannot remember the name. Kinder, yeah, something like Kinder. But very impressive, guys. This is so good. I just want to keep eating more. Wow. And let me go for the double chocolate. Again, superb. I love all three. But if you ask me my personal favorite, I thought this won't be my favorite, but this ended up being my favorite. So, surprise, surprise, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. It's time for us to finish all the brownies. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, stay positive.